Peeling. When we're peeling vegetables, we always use a green chopping board. We're going to use a vegetable peeler, and when we're peeling, so we're going to peel a carrot today, we'll always peel away from us. We peel straight onto a paper towel, and we make sure we're just taking the very thin layer off the carrot. Now, you don't have to go right to the top because you can turn the carrot round and you can finish peeling by turning it round, using the peeler to take off all the excess skin. When you're finished peeling, make sure that all the rubbish gets put straight into the bin. The claw grip. The claw grip is named because you form a claw on top of the food. We're then going to use the knife and we're going to cut off the end of the carrot here. And as we slice, so we're going to slice this carrot, we move our hand back. So we've formed a claw with our hand and we move back and we do evenly sized slices. And that's our slicing using the claw grip. Preparing an apple. The first thing we need to do with the apple is make sure it's on a green chopping board and we have a sharp vegetable knife ready. Because the apple isn't always flat on the bottom, we're going to use the claw grip and we're going to take a fine slice off the bottom of the apple. This allows it to sit flat. Next, we are going to half it and we're going to use our bridge grip. So to use our bridge grip, we form a bridge over the food and then we cut down through the middle until it's flat. We're going to do it again and we're going to cut down through the middle using a bridge with our hands, always on a flat surface. To core the apple, we need to remove this part of the apple, the core of the apple. And the easiest way to do that is we're going to use our claw grip and we're going to make a diagonal across the apple and we're going to remove the core and put that onto the paper. And as you can see there, we've removed it. So we're going to do that again. So to remove the core, we're going to take the knife at an angle. We're going to use our claw grip so our fingers are nowhere in the way, and then we are going to slice across and remove the core. So to remove the core, we're going to use our claw grip. We're going to slice across on a diagonal to remove the core, and there our apples are cored. Again, we're going to use the claw grip. We're going to use the knife at an angle. We're going to slice across and we're going to take out the core. And all the pieces we do not want are going to go onto a paper towel ready for the bin. And those are our 4 cored apple pieces. If we want to then slice the apple, we use our claw grip and we move our hands back so we get nice, even slices. If we want to put it onto something like a skewer, we're obviously going to make slightly bigger pieces. So we would half that, and then we would half it again, and then that would be big enough to put onto our skewers. And that's our apple. Preparing the onion. To prepare the onion, we hold the onion as if the world is in our hands. And we have the North Pole and we have the South Pole. We're going to use our bridge grip and we are going to slice down the middle. Now our bridge means that our fingers are nowhere near the knife, and then we are going to place our onion flat onto the chopping board. And you'll note we're using a green chopping board. We're then going to cut off the North Pole. So we're going to cut off the North Pole. We're going to use our claw grip. And we're just going to cut off the North Pole here, and then we're going to discard all the skin. Now that makes it easier because you can get your fingers in to pull back the layers. So again, as I've said, we are going to cut off just the North Pole here. So North Pole, so it's the shoot. We're going to use our claw grip, and then We're going to get rid of any skin, which is called physical contamination. And we're just going to take a layer off here till we have the two halves of the onion. Now we're going to dice these onions. So what we're going to do is we are going to use our bridge grip again. And as you can see, there are lines down the onion. And we are going to make incisions probably about 2/3 of the way. And I'm turning this round so that you can see what I'm doing. And this is important because if you don't do this and you cut all the way through, your onion will fall apart. At the minute, because I haven't done that, it still holds on. Then you're going to give it a quarter turn and you're going to use your claw grip and you're going to slice across it. And what that will do is that will form nice diced onion. And all you should have left is the root, so there's no waste. So as you can see there, that's nice finely diced onion. So I'm going to show you again. So using the knife, you are going to cut down the lines about 2/3 of the way. Using my bridge grip so my hands are nowhere near the knife. Then I'm going to give it a quarter turn and I'm going to dice the onion. And there is our finely diced onion, ready to be used.